Everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 3 on the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. Let us start. The first indication means sign of impending disaster came at about 6 p.m. with an ominous silence. See, the first indication is sign of impending is coming disaster came at about 6 p.m. The first sign of coming disaster came at about 6 p.m. with an ominous silence. Silence, ominous means unfortunate, evil silence. And there was silence, and that was an evil silence. The wind dropped. Drop means stop blowing. The wind drop means the wind is the wind stopped blowing. The wind drop means the wind stopped blowing, and the sky immediately grew dark, and there was darkness in the sky, and the sky immediately at once grew dark, became dark. Then came a roaring sound. Then came a growing roar, and an enormous, very big cloud. Toward means mounted. Aft means the backside of the ship, and then a big cloud mounted on the backside of the ship. See the sentence? Then came a roaring sound, and enormous means very big, cloud. Toward means mounted. Aft means backside of the ship. With horror means great fear, I realized that it was not a cloud. I mean, the narrator realized that it was not a cloud but a babe. He thought it was a babe like no other I had ever seen, and the babe was like the one he had never seen in his life. It was not a cloud but a babe like no other I had ever seen, and he thought it was a babe and like this babe he had never seen in his life. It appeared perfectly vertical. It means the babe. The babe appeared perfectly means completely vertical, in vertical position, and almost twice means double the height of the other babes. And this babe was double in height of the from in comparison to the other waves. See the sentence? Almost nearly twice means double the height of the other wave, and the height of this wave was double in comparison to the other waves. With a frightful means horrible, frightening, breaking crash, gives me top, and top of the wave was breaking on the ship. The roar increased into a thunder, and give me change here, and the roaring sound continued to increase and change in thundering sound as the stern means back part of the ship moved up the face of the wave, as the back part of the ship came in front of the wave. The roaring sound changed into thundering sound. Thunder. The roar increased to a thunder as the stern means back part of the ship moved up the face of the wave. For a moment I thought, the narrator thought, we might ride over it. Over it means over the wave. He thought that the boat might ride over the wave, and they would be safe. But it did not happen. But Then a tremendous, that means very big explosion, so it means moved the deck. And then there was explosion, a very big explosion, and it shook the deck. Deck means platform on the ship or the boat. A torrent of green and white, torrent means big stream. A big stream of green and white water broke over ship, attacked on the ship. A big stream of green and white water broke over, means attacked on the ship. Then what happened? My head smashed, means hit into the wheel, and the narrator's head hit into the wheel, and I was aware flying overboard, and he was aware that he was flying overboard and sinking below the waves, and he realized, he was aware that he was sinking below the waves. I accepted, means the narrator accepted my approach, means coming death, and he accepted that his death was approaching, his death was coming to him. And as I was losing consciousness, senses, he was losing his consciousness, means he was losing his senses. I felt quiet, means totally, completely peaceful, and he felt completely peaceful. Unexpectedly, without any expectation, my head promise came out, rose out of the water. His head, the narrator's head, came out, rose out of the water. A few meters away, Babe Barker means the boat was nearly capsized, means turning over, Her mast, the mast of the boat, almost horizontal. And see, what was the position of the mast of the boat? It was in horizontal position. Then a wave hurled upright. Then a wave, hurled means moved. Her means the boat, upright means upright. And then another wave came and it moved, it hurled. Her means the boat upright. My lifeline actually left a rope that was tied to the narrator. My lifeline rope jerked. There was jerk on the lifeline rope of the narrator, and taut. There was tightness. Taut. It became tight. The rope became tight. I grabbed means caught the guard rails. Railings were there, and he, for support, the narrator caught the guard rails, and sailed through the air. And he sailed through the air into Babe Barker's main boom. Boom means long pole. And he sailed through the air into Babe Barker's main boom. Subsequent the wave that came after that horrible wave. The subsequent wave, the waves that followed, tossed me, the narrator, around the deck like a rag doll of cloths. He was tossed by subsequent wave like a cloth dog. My left ribs cracked, and the narrator's left rib cracked. My mouth filled with blood and broken teeth. He was injured. His mouth was filled with blood and broken teeth. Somehow he found the wheel and lined up the stern, and he brought the stern in the line for the next wave, to face the next wave, and hung on. And he hung on and waited for the next wave to come. Water everywhere. There was water everywhere. I could feel that ship had water below. The narrator felt that water was also below I could feel that the ship had water below. But I dared not to abandon his leave the wheel. But he didn't have courage to leave the wheel to investigate, to examine how much water was below. Suddenly, the front hatch has been door was thrown open. Suddenly, the door, small door, was thrown open. Mary, and Mary means the narrator's wife Mary, appears, came out, and she said, "We are sinking." We are meaning the boat, the ship was sinking. She screamed. She screamed and said, "Decks are smashed, broken." She said, "Decks were broken, we are full of water." And the boat, the ship, was full of water, and it was sure that they were going to sink into the sea. Thank you. Have a nice day.